Unraveling, to think things over, a guide to decision-making. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the English language and unlock its secrets for learners all around the globe. Today, we're focusing on a phrase that often pops up in conversations, storytelling, and advice. To think things over. Understanding this phrase can not only enrich your vocabulary but also offer insight into the process of reflection and decision-making. So, let's get started. To think things over means to consider something carefully before making a decision. It involves taking the time to weigh all aspects of a situation, including the possible outcomes, pros and cons, and the feelings or opinions of others involved. This phrase emphasizes a thoughtful and deliberate approach to decision-making, rather than making hasty choices. This phrase can be used in both personal and professional contexts. In personal situations, you might think things over before deciding whether to make a major life change, such as moving to a new city or changing careers. It's also applicable in everyday decisions, like choosing a gift for a friend or planning a trip. In professional scenarios, you may need to think things over before accepting a job offer, proposing a project, or addressing a conflict with a colleague. Using this phrase in conversation signifies that you're taking the issue seriously and respect the importance of making a well-informed decision. Let's see how this phrase works in real-life scenarios. After our discussion, I need some time to think things over before I can give you an answer. She decided to think things over for a few days before making a commitment to the new job. We've heard your proposal, and we'll think things over and get back to you by next week. Expanding your vocabulary with synonyms of to think things over can add variety to your English. Here are a few: contemplate, ponder, mull over, reflect on, consider. Each of these alternatives carries a similar meaning but can be used to add nuance to your conversations and writing. We hope this video has helped you understand the importance and usage of the phrase, to think things over. It's a powerful reminder that taking the time to reflect on our decisions can lead to more thoughtful and positive outcomes. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to think things over in your daily life and language learning journey. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.